Ever wondered how millions of cigarettes are made daily? In today's video, where we'll explore the fascinating and complex process behind the mass production of cigarettes. Before we start our video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more intriguing insights like this. The journey of a cigarette, from the vast tobacco fields to the smoker's fingertips, is a fascinating and complex process. Each step, from cultivation to packaging, involves skilled craftsmanship and scientific precision. However, it's crucial to remember that this seemingly ordinary product carries significant health risks. This in-depth exploration reveals how tobacco is transformed into a cigarette, providing a detailed look at the process, the technology, and the challenges involved. The fields. Our journey begins in the vast tobacco fields, bathed in warm sunlight, where rows of delicate tobacco seedlings emerge from the fertile soil. These young plants are nurtured with care, receiving ample water and nutrients to thrive. As weeks pass, the plants grow tall and robust. Their broad green leaves unfurl, soaking up the sun's energy. The tobacco leaves hold the key to the cigarette's allure, containing nicotine, a naturally occurring stimulant that contributes to the smoking experience. When the time is right, the mature leaves are carefully harvested by skilled workers who move through the fields, expertly plucking the leaves from the stalks. The scent of fresh tobacco fills the air, a pungent, earthy aroma that signals the harvest's completion. The leaves are then bundled together, ready to continue their journey from the field to the factory. This is only the beginning of their transformation, a process that turns raw tobacco leaves into the smooth, familiar cigarette. Curing. Once harvested, the moist tobacco leaves are transported to curing barns where they will undergo a crucial transformation. These barns provide the perfect environment for changing the chemical composition of the leaves. The tobacco leaves are hung in rows, forming a verdant tapestry. The air is thick with humidity and the temperature is carefully controlled to facilitate the curing process. Over time, the leaves begin to dry, gradually changing from vibrant green to rich shades of yellow, orange, and brown. This process can take several weeks, depending on the desired flavor and aroma of the tobacco. As the leaves cure, complex chemical changes occur. The sugars within the tobacco break down, and nicotine levels stabilize. This is the critical stage for developing the tobacco's characteristic aroma and the qualities that make smoking so enticing. The curing process is crucial as it sets the stage for the leaf's final characteristics, such as flavor, aroma, and burning ability. Blending. Once cured, the tobacco leaves move on to the blending stage, where the magic of mixing different varieties of tobacco begins. Blending tobacco is an art form that requires experience and skill. The goal of the blender is to create a consistent, smooth, and satisfying smoking experience. Tobacco comes in a variety of types, each with unique flavor profiles. Some types are known for their sweetness, while others provide a bolder, more robust flavor. Blenders carefully combine these different types of tobacco, taking into account aroma, flavor, and burn rate. The process is similar to that of a chef creating a recipe, carefully balancing each ingredient. Skilled blenders must ensure that the final product is consistent and has a uniform texture. The mixture is then inspected thoroughly to ensure it meets the high-quality standards required before moving on to the next step. Only the finest leaves, perfectly blended, are ready for further processing and refinement. Conditioning. The next crucial step in the journey from tobacco leaf to cigarette is conditioning. This process ensures that the blended tobacco is consistent in moisture content, pliable, and ready for manufacturing. The conditioned tobacco is placed into specialized chambers where the temperature and humidity are controlled. This controlled environment helps rehydrate the tobacco to an ideal moisture level. Without conditioning, the leaves could become brittle and break during processing, affecting the final product's quality. Conditioning also ensures that the tobacco burns evenly and produces a smooth, consistent smoke. Once the leaves have absorbed the right amount of moisture, they are now prepared for the final stages of their transformation into cigarettes. The conditioning process plays a key role in the smoothness and burn quality that consumers expect from a cigarette. Manufacturing. The manufacturing process begins as the conditioned tobacco enters the factory. Here, a whirlwind of machines awaits. The leaves are shredded, cut, and mixed into a uniform blend to form the foundation of the cigarette. Sharp rotating blades slice the tobacco leaves into fine strands, which are known as cut tobacco. This cut tobacco is the key component of a cigarette's filling. At this stage, a carefully measured cocktail of additives is introduced to the tobacco mixture. These additives serve various purposes, from enhancing flavor to controlling burn rates and improving the cigarette's appearance. The use of additives is a controversial aspect of cigarette manufacturing. While some argue that additives improve the smoking experience, others express concerns about their potential health implications. Regardless of these debates, additives are an essential part of the cigarette-making process, shaping the cigarette. The transformation of raw tobacco into a cigarette is a highly sophisticated process involving a combination of machinery and human oversight to ensure the perfect blend of efficiency and quality. Once the cut tobacco is blended with various additives to enhance its flavor and burn characteristics, the next step in its journey is shaping the tobacco into the familiar cylindrical form we all recognize. This task is accomplished by highly efficient machines known as cigarette makers, which handle the process with speed and precision. The cigarette-making process begins with a continuous ribbon of cigarette paper, which is carefully fed into the machine. The machine's automated system then precisely deposits a controlled amount of blended tobacco onto the paper. The paper is then expertly folded around the tobacco, creating a cylindrical shape. To ensure the cigarette stays sealed, a thin line of edible glue is applied, ensuring the paper stays in place without disrupting the flow of the tobacco. This results in a continuous chain of cigarettes which are still warm from the manufacturing process. These cigarettes are transported along conveyor belts to the next assembly stage, where they will undergo the addition of filters. The seamless efficiency of this part of the process is critical, as it allows for the rapid production of cigarettes while maintaining high levels of consistency across batches. Adding the filter. One of the most important components of a cigarette is the filter, which serves a critical role in trapping some of the harmful tar and particulate matter that is released during smoking. The filter is typically made from cellulose acetate, a type of plastic which has the ability to absorb and trap certain substances from the smoke. The filter is designed to regulate airflow and enhance the smoking experience by providing a smoother draw, making it easier for the smoker to inhale the smoke. Modern cigarette filters are often equipped with tiny air vents, which help to control the amount of air that is drawn through the filter and into the lungs. These vents play a significant role in determining the draw resistance and overall experience of smoking. The filters are carefully attached to the ends of each cigarette using automated machines. These machines ensure that each filter is securely attached, maintaining a strong bond between the filter and the cigarette body. Once the filters are securely in place, the cigarettes are treated with special paper designed to prevent the filter from unraveling during use. This added layer of protection not only enhances the overall quality of the cigarette, but also ensures that the smoker has a more comfortable and consistent experience. With the filters now in place, the cigarettes are nearing the final stages of their transformation. Quality control. Quality control is one of the most critical aspects of the cigarette manufacturing process. Maintaining consistent quality and meeting the established standards is essential for ensuring the final product is safe, functional, and enjoyable for consumers. The quality control process begins with the initial blending of tobacco and continues throughout every step of the manufacturing process. Cigarette production is a high-speed operation, and to ensure the end product meets the required standards, automated systems are used to conduct continuous inspections. Specialized sensors and cameras are integrated into the production line to scan each cigarette for defects, such as variations in length, diameter, or weight. These systems detect even the smallest flaws, ensuring that only perfect cigarettes move forward in the manufacturing process. In addition to automated inspections, skilled technicians perform random sampling of the cigarettes during production. These technicians examine the cigarettes for various qualities such as burn rate, draw resistance, and overall appearance. The inspectors also check the strength of the glue used to hold the cigarette together and the consistency of the filter attachment. If any of the cigarettes fail to meet the stringent quality control measures, they are immediately removed from the production line and discarded. Packaging. The final step in the cigarette production process is packaging, where the cigarettes are carefully arranged and placed in their familiar packaging. Cigarette packaging serves two important purposes: protecting the product and enhancing its appeal. Packaging also plays a significant role in providing vital information to consumers, including the brand name, the number of cigarettes per pack, and health warnings that caution against the dangers of smoking. Automated machines are used to ensure that the cigarettes are arranged into packs containing the correct number of cigarettes. The packaging process also involves the addition of special protective materials, such as foil wraps or internal cellophane, to preserve the freshness and integrity of the product. These materials help to prevent the cigarettes from drying out or becoming damaged during transportation and storage. Cigarette packaging is a key element of marketing, and the design of the packaging often reflects the brand's identity. Many brands incorporate eye-catching logos, color schemes, and slogans into their packaging to attract customers. While branding is an important factor, cigarette packaging must also adhere to strict regulations that govern the display of health warnings. These warnings are designed to remind consumers of the serious health risks associated with smoking and are required by law in many countries. Once the cigarettes are packed, they are sealed into boxes, cartons, or cases for shipment. These packages are then ready for distribution, ensuring that the product is available for consumers worldwide. From factory to fingertips. Once the cigarettes are packaged, the next step is distribution, where they are transported to wholesalers, retailers, and consumers around the world. This involves a complex network of distributors, warehouses, and delivery trucks that ensure the product reaches every corner of the globe. Cigarettes are sold in a variety of retail locations, including convenience stores, gas stations, supermarkets, and specialty tobacco shops. In many cases, the product is transported by truck, but larger shipments may also be moved by train or plane to expedite delivery. Cigarettes are often stored in large warehouses before being shipped out to retailers, ensuring that there is always a steady supply available for consumers. Once the cigarettes reach the retail level, they are placed on shelves or in vending machines where consumers can easily purchase them. Marketing and advertising also play a major role in the distribution process, with brands working to reach their target audiences through both traditional media and digital campaigns. Although advertising for cigarettes is heavily regulated and restricted in many countries. Due to health concerns, brands continue to use marketing strategies to maintain consumer interest. Despite efforts to curb tobacco use and reduce smoking rates, cigarettes remain widely available and popular. The global cigarette market is vast, and it continues to be a major industry despite the significant health risks associated with smoking. A final thought: the process of turning raw tobacco into cigarettes is a complex and highly technical one, showcasing the ingenuity and efficiency of modern manufacturing. However, it's important to note that smoking carries severe health risks. Smoking is a leading cause of preventable death worldwide, and it is associated with numerous serious health issues, including lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory illnesses. While the choice to smoke is a personal one, individuals must make this decision with full awareness of the potential consequences for their health and well-being. Thank you for joining us for this in-depth exploration of the cigarette manufacturing process. We hope you found the journey from raw tobacco to the finished product as fascinating as we did. The intricate machinery, quality control, and the entire system behind cigarette production showcase an impressive blend of technology and human expertise. However, it's important to remember that smoking comes with serious health risks, and the decision to smoke should always be made with full knowledge of the potential consequences. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on future videos. We're dedicated to bringing you more behind-the-scenes looks at various industries, products, and processes, so don't miss out. Be sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and always make informed decisions about the choices you make. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video.